Hello guys, I will show you if you're like me and the bootstrapper doesn't work like this. It it loads. It's like it just does that, but it crashes. Take this UI. It crashes. Like I will show you a fix for that today. You just need the solarafix.zip. Then the solarafix. You wanna launch this UI. You have to wait 1 to 3 minutes for it to launch because I don't know why. If you're wondering if it launched or not, because the UI doesn't pop up instantly, you can go to your task manager. For me, it is here. You can go down to your background processes and then it will pop up here. The WP of this thing will pop up in the background processes and to launch. But after it has launched, you wanna hit on the inject button. Oh yeah, and so, sometimes do not click these two buttons, this open file button and the save file button. It will crash. I don't know why. I'll try to fix it. Um, you would what after this? You just need your script. Then just join a game, just like how you would execute. Okay. After the Solara color has turned green, you just wait for the game to load. Then you wanna hit execute. There is a I don't know why, but sometimes this will crash if you execute. Sometimes it will crash, but the script will be executed. I do not know why. Do not ask me. They deploted the software, so that's what caused this issue. And my antivirus deleted the DLL, and I don't know how to fix the DLL. So this is my only fix. And I will show you now what happens if I click these two buttons. If I click the save, it just crashes like that. Also with the open. But here is the script. It works. All works except for this vehicle. And that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I will inform you all if I found another fix that just fixes this thing that actually works and has the save scripts working. Oh yeah, and the download link is in the description. Bye bye.